Welcome to my channel. Netgear Orbi RBS50Y, 2CCNAS Outdoor Wi-Fi Range Extender Setup. Here's a step-by-step guide to set up the Netgear Orbi RBS50Y, 2CCNAS Outdoor Wi-Fi Range Extender in a clear and concise format. Remove the extender from its box and place it near your existing Orbi router for the initial setup. Plug it into an outlet and turn it on. Wait until the power LED turns white, indicating it's ready. Press the sync button on your Orbi router, then press the sync button on the extender to establish a connection. The extender's LED will turn solid blue or amber once it syncs with the router. Move the extender to an outdoor location within range of your Orbi router, ensuring the LED shows a stable connection. Use a mobile device or laptop to confirm that the Wi-Fi signal is strong and stable in the outdoor area. Mount the extender on a wall or sturdy surface using the provided hardware for permanent outdoor placement. This sequence ensures the extender is properly synced and positioned for optimal outdoor Wi-Fi coverage.
Thank you for watching.